All right, our lesson part 2. So we're going to find the volume of this right rectangular prism. So the volume is always going to be that length times width times height, or the area of the base, so the area of one of the sides, and then you multiply by the height, because essentially that's the length times width, and then you multiply by that height. So in this case, you have 2 times 3 times 5. Let's do it here. So we have 2 times 3 times 5. I know 2 times 3 is going to be 6. And then I know 6 times 5, because we didn't use that 5 yet. 6 times 5 is going to be 30. So it is 30 centimeters squared. So all you have to put is that 30 there. Let's go ahead to that next one. So I'm going to put this lesson part 3 on here. So we're going to multiply again. We're going to find the volume. The volume is when you multiply the length times width times height, or the volume of, or the area of the base times that height. So it's going to be length times width times height. If you do 9.4 times 3.0 times 4.1, let's see here, if we multiply all this, let's see, 9.4 times 3.0 times 4.1, you get 115.62. So you're going to put that over here, 115.62. You can move that over a little bit. Boop, boop. There we go. It's going to be 115.62, and that is going to be your answer for this one. All right, last but not least, let's go to that lesson part 4. We are going to multiply again. In this case, this is going to be 4/5. So we have 4/5. And then we're going to multiply it by 1/4. Then we'll multiply it by 12. And we'll put it over 1. All right, let's multiply straight across. If I do 12 times 4 times 1, I get 48. And then if I do 5 times 4, I get 20, and then times 1 would still be 20. So if I have 48 divided by 20, you will get, when you divide that right here, if you do 48 divided by 20, you will get 2.4. So you can have 2.4, and it'll be inches squared. Or if you want to write it as a mixed number, 20 can go into 48 2 times, so you have a 2, and then you have 8 left over, 20ths, and that can also be written as 2, and while I know a 4 can go into 8 and 20, 8 divided by 4 is 2, 20 divided by 4 is 5, so you can also put 2/5 if you want to, but you can put 2/4, and that is going to be it for all of our lessons. Great job!